Hi.
What's up, guys?
So guys, like we are heading to Suzhou.
Yeah.
What's the name of your
impromptu
office?
trip.
What's the name of your office?
The DIS Design Innovation Institute of Suzhou.
Okay, that's where we are heading now.
Yeah, one special NGO place. The guys from Japan,
Vietnam,
America.
Vietnam and Japan.
Yeah,
Then
he's
Japan, America.
telling us about Suzhou. Like it said, like there are a lot of factories around. Like
Manufactory City.
Okay.
Just like Osaka.
Osaka doesn't have that many factories actually.
Really? And very beautiful rivers. However, the main city is very small, only 3 kilometers, and the subcity hold all the high buildings and factories.
Yes.
If you wanted to take more than one day, I recommend you can go to the Garden Palace. Place. Yeah, very nice place.
Nice. Maybe when my girlfriend comes in.
Your girlfriend?
Yeah. She's in Tokyo.
Most of the Sudanese and Shanghainese like Tokyo. Very like Japan. Yeah.
Everyone around the world likes Japan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good design award, Japan's award.
Really?
Yep. So we take a tourist, take a visit to Tokyo and take the G-Mark award.
What is a G-Bank?
G-Mark means good design award. Tokyo good,
Really?
Japan good design award.
Oh,
yeah.
shit.
That's not very quite famous.
Mm.
I mean, the community thinks it's very famous worldwide.
Yeah. What does your company sell?
We sell ink. I can send
What
it
type
to
of
you.
ink? Ink for like printers, ink
For calligraphy
right?
and
Oh,
for drawing.
calligraphy.
For techo. Techo.
Techo.
Techo.
Oh.
Which
In
is
there.
which is
Yeah. Here, this one.
Yes.
Yeah, that's me.
I can send you the videos.
Got it. Nice. Have you done something related to calligraphy in the past?
Yeah. And here's some photos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah. Also, Instagram called Starry Ink. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's, hey.
Just continue.
Technology.
It's showing the board over here.
Yeah.
Continue your explanation. Like the viewers want to know what you are building.
Yeah, it's one kind of 100% plant and vegetable brewed
Based.
ink. Yeah, plant based. So you can see the color is the grass color and the rose color. So it's very nice color and even edible. It
Yeah.
could be eaten. So it's very good for not only health but also the environment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If it's replace the traditional ink, it could be save the fossil waste. Yeah. So and also further, on our lab we search for how to grow the ink and colorant from bacteria. Yeah.
Bacteria.
Yeah. We create different bacteria with the transformed DNAs. So we can to use bacteria to make colorants like. I don't know if English name, sorry.
Make like new combination.
Yeah, we can
colors.
make new colors.
New colors. Yeah.
And-
The colors so many.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
You can even see if you are draw with the ink, the color will keep changing when it's drying. Yeah, so if you use more water, the color will change from blue to purple and even to the little violet. So it will be more enjoyable for artists to use. Yeah. This is our brand and products and so on. We have sold it to not only China but also Japan, for Korea and also America. Yeah, we are Ink R&D and Ink Factory. Thank you.
Very nice. Wow. Awesome.
Is it Pixel? It's just-
Yeah. No. This is Samsung Galaxy
Oh,
S24
very nice.
Ultra. Oh, the case.
The
case.
cover case.
The case, yeah. Because I drop my phone like every day. I need the case. Otherwise,
It's very nice.
phone will die. Yeah.
I also need it because you can see it's
Yeah,
broken
yeah.
everywhere.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
If I don't have a case, my phone will dead. Man.
We were trying to get this pop from our currently at Suzhou. Yeah, they're making it. So cool, man. What kind of popcorn is this? They are literally grinding the corn. They are literally grinding the corn.
We have it in Vietnam too.
Tastes good. 没那个。那个服务已经。That's for testing. 这样子再回是吧？是。
Is that right? It's sweet. Sweet rice. Maybe we need the water later.
What's the name?
Rice.
Rice. Rice. This rice.
Rice and peanut. A little peanut. Yeah.